Xiamen JieLin was founded in 2004. It's located in the Special Economic Zone and Seaport City Xiamen. It is a professional manufacturer engaged in designing, developing, and manufacturing of toilet tank fittings and other related accessories to meet customers' customized requirements. The company is equipped with in-house mold design and manufacturing capabilities, covering plastic molds, blow molds, compression molds, and die casting molds. We also have a full range of advanced mold processing and inspection equipment. We process in strict accordance with ISO 9001:2015 and have been approved by CUPC CE and etc. We imported a complete set of sophisticated testing equipment and tested time and again. The test items include high water pressure, low water pressure, anti-siphon and fatigue test, and so on. We devoting ourselves to the research of sanitary technology, making determination to return back to the society and customers with high-quality products and high-standard service, also make our society value come true. Focus on the service for the clients and terminal customers with efficient environmental protection, water-saving sanitary fittings.